Cold start and a Honda snowblower. It's been sitting outside all night in a freaking blizzard. It's about 25 degrees out. I'll do a cold start video. If I can get the camera to sit in one spot, I think I'm gonna put it over here. Fucking up to my knees. The wind doesn't blow my camera off, and I might not even be able to actually. There, hopefully the camera stays. One pull. That's a Honda for you. See the steam coming out. Condensation. I'll let this thing warm up for about 20 minutes, then I'll go out and use it. But I clear all the snow. A ton of it. Well, see you later.